Nowadays, if you need a new car, you could be waiting anywhere from 6 weeks to 6 months for that car to arrive. But here at Grayson's Guardian, we have brand new cars ready to go, ready for the next franchisee. Meet GGG7. Customised number plate on the front. We've got our customised bull bar all painted to match the vehicle. And these are what we call our T-bar ladder bars. All custom built. There's nothing else on the road quite like a Grayson's Guardian vehicle. All sign written up with your fiberglass canopy on the rear. Everything's wired in, so as soon as you unlock your doors, everything opens. Very spacious inside. Carpeted with additional ladder storage areas in the top there. We don't cut any corners with our franchise units. There's literally over 100 items that come with this fully fitted out customised vehicle. As you can see, the 30-foot ladder on top is the full length of the vehicle. So that ladder T-bar setup we've got at the front gives you that extra support when you're in transit, and everything's low too, so you can get into underground car parks. Extra shelving. For a lower entry cost, we also have older model vehicles available, but no matter which unit you choose with Grayson's Guardian, every car comes fully geared up with the same set of tools, uniforms, your advertising startup package, your training. Everything is included, so it's a turnkey opportunity. Please call us on 1-800-GUTTER and let's talk about working together. Thank you.